Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install UMplayer on Ubuntu 18.04. UMplayer is a cross-platform multimedia player application. It's available for all major operating systems such as Linux, Microsoft Windows and macOS, and it supports all audio and video media file formats like AVI, MP4, MP3 and etc. Okay, now here before starting your installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then we have to download the UMplayer package using by wget command. The download is complete now. Then finally we have to install the UMplayer application using by GW. Click OK and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Then we have to open the Ubuntu search box. Here we have to type UMplayer. The application is on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Here we can see UMplayer application. Now you can able to use this application. Now we have to check the version of UMplayer. Here we can see the version of UMplayer 0.97. Thus we have seen how to install UMplayer on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxskill. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxskill.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxskill.com.